Oh, one thing I did quickly want to mention, if you're using any of these fonts, please consider changing them to something different. Literally anything else for Comic Sans. Same for Papyrus. Please no one use Papyrus. Here are some other examples of fonts that you can use that are more elevated. I see a lot of brush script. Please try something different than that. Brush script is a default cool on Microsoft Word, and these Adobe programs, people love to use it. Bradley handwriting, this is also one I see a lot. Please don't use that one. And here's Papyrus and New Roman. If you want to download a new font, remember you can go to Dafont.com, and it's going to give you a ton of different fonts, and it's pretty simple for how to see them, how to download them. I would not go crazy over here on Fancy unless you're using it for only a few words in the title, but there's some awesome sans serifs and serifs you can download. And if you want just something fun for a title, I don't have a problem with that. Say you want to download this, you're simply going to click here on the download. You're going to save the file, and then once the file is saved, you'll go ahead and extract it. Okay, so we're going to click to open this zip file. Here it is. All right, here's the font. You can tell because it's an open type font file. Double click, you're going to open this, and you're just going to click install. Okay, so that's the way to install new fonts, so you can mix things up a bit. If there's more than one of these, go ahead and install both of them, because sometimes you might have a normal font and underneath it might have a bold or an italic, so that's really helpful. So remember Dafont.com, that's a really awesome resource that you can use, especially for a nice sans serif. Let me show you just some of the category that's in there. Like, look at these, aren't these awesome? You can use these instead of Arial or Calibri or a font that I've seen a lot. Okay, something like this is pretty neat for a title. Okay, so play around with that. I don't want to take any more of your time, but I hope you all have a great week and that